Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a whole bunch of Kozers to unbox. Now let me tell you, I've looked at the names of them. I'm going to do this one last. I haven't opened it yet, but I am certain it is something that everybody will think is awesome. I cannot wait to look at this one. But there's a bunch of stuff here, so we're going to get through all of it. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. This stuff is almost certainly all available, so I will link it down to, well, some of it. Some of it's probably special edition, certain releases, right? I'll link everything I can in the description, probably directly under Kozer knives. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. This first thing here is the Corant. Okay, G10 and Nitro V Corant. Little guy. Oh, look at that. It's like the audio levels, right? On like a mixer. Okay, cool. So they're doing some special edition. That's actually really neat. That does provide meaningful traction. You could look at it that way. You could look at it as, you know, a building landscape. You could look at it as Tetris, right? Whatever you want to. Meaningful traction. The Cormorant, definitely a popular design. Admittedly, this one feels a lot better than the titanium one. I always came down on this knife for feeling crunchy. This feels great. Okay, cool. So do we have a bunch of Cormorants then? Or did Kozer just change their box? This is called the Crocodile. Alrighty, the Azo Crocodile. Have I seen this one before? I'm not sure. Probably also not an incredibly expensive knife. This is like a burlap micarta, which usually isn't my favorite, but I don't mind that color. That's really nice. We have a nested steel liner. Nice, large, open ergonomic profile. Flipper tab here, but honestly, a super roomy forward choil. So it's Nitro V, and is this Kozer's just like simple black coating? I think so. Yeah, not a bad knife at all. In fact, this feels really, really good. This feels very like Vanguard-y, which that's their, is that their, well, I can't remember if that one says Vanguard or not, but that one actually feels great. We're going to do these two here. We're going to move some of this stuff off to the side. Keep going here. We've got this smaller package again. This is the Bulldog. I'm almost certain I've handled it. Actually, you know, Bulldog is just a name that you see a lot in the knife world. So this is, it looks like, well, a Kozer clutch lock, so it's their version of the compression lock. Yeah, okay, that's pretty cool. Does that actually touch all the way to the back? Almost. Boy, it's really close. Like if you lay the handle down and no, it pretty much does. So why am I showing you this? It means it's almost like a teeny tiny, like if you have nothing else, food prep knife. That's kind of cool. I like that one. 154 cm, simple micarta, and symmetrical clip, so mounting positions on both sides. Yeah, I like that one a lot. These are just first impressions. We'll do the full reviews down the road a bit. Next up, we have the helmet. Yeah, I guess this was another Azo design. Okay. Anything that I have not already reviewed will get its own review down the road. Okay, so we have, this looks like G10, and then we have a, yeah, just straightforward, nice, again, an open profile. Very easy access to this area here, which you can very easily manipulate. Not a whole lot to say about this, but it's a nice knife for sure. Nothing wrong with it. Kind of reminds me of Les George in the handle. I think that's just a generally common handle profile. Okay. Next up we have the Infinity. Almost all of these will end up as giveaway knives, guys. So if you're new to my channel and you're like, what does he do with all this stuff he gets for free? The vast majority of it gets given away. I do live streams every Friday, well, most of the time Friday evenings at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, another straightforward design here. It says Infinity, Nitro V. We have peel ply textured G10. Once again, very similar to the last one I unboxed. Peel ply textured. Obviously, it's on both sides. We have the steel liners, left and right hand or ambidextrous clip mount positions. Nice, fully flat ground. Almost like a, I don't know if you want to call this like a machete. It kind of looks, it reminds me of like a machete blade. Extended jimping. Yeah, sure. Okay. Let's see here. Is this, we got a slightly larger box here. This is the Assassin. Again, I'm almost certain that I've taken a look at the Assassin before as well. Have I? Is this like a premium Assassin? I'm almost certain I've looked at this. Feels very familiar. This is Nitro V, so this will also be a budget or near budget option. Kind of a denim micarta, which is nice. Again, mounting positions for left and right-handed people, and the Kozer clutch lock, which is very, very good. Does this have a designer on it? There's the information right there. Okay. And now we have a fixed blade. Almost certain it has to be. This is the deckhand, which I have already taken a look at. But maybe this is like an alternate variation of it. So, here we go. Oh, yeah, this is actually really, I really enjoyed this one. Is there anything different about this one? It's just green. Yeah, these are great, and they're D2 and inexpensive. I think the sheath is probably right there. It's got a clip on it. Perfect. This is the size of fixed blade that I tend to prefer, because I'll actually carry it at this size. I mean, if I can get the whole sheath in my pocket, especially if it comes with a clip or something like this, yeah, for sure. Okay, so what's this one then? What's the one you got super duper excited about? I'll tell you why I got excited. Because it's a Militaw in M390 black DLC. Titanium and camo carbon 80s? No idea. Sounds crazy. The Militaw, in my opinion, is the best knife that Kozer has ever made. They've also made the coolest special edition they've ever made through the Militaw. Oh my gosh. Okay, wow. 80s. That actually is what it looks like. Like neon 80s. Not everybody's going to love that, but I think it's pretty cool. And then, of course, we have the near mirror DLC finish. But instead of S45VN, this time it's in M390. Absolutely wacky. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. God, I want to keep that. I actually really like this neon. Normally, I don't like multicolored carbon fiber, but these neon colors are actually pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. I think that's really fun. Some people will enjoy that. Not everybody, but certainly enough people that they won't have a problem selling it. So, yeah, if this is any indication to you, now with the third variation of this shiny black DLC Cormorant, if you keep missing them, they're clearly going to keep making them. So just, you know, if this isn't your cup of tea, or if it is your cup of tea and you try and you miss it, just wait for them to do another one. I am certain that they'll do more, and I'm also certain, and I know this for a fact, that they will do the shiny DLC on other models in the future. You might just see them here. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Anything that's here that does not have a review will get a review here within a few weeks, but that's going to be it for today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.